All right, so now you got to put your light back in this part of the door right here, and it just slides in and twists around. I'm gonna do this in real time. Then you get all your goodies here on out of there. Put your door back in, slide your bottom in, lock it all back in. We're going to need 7mm. You want to hold on to that. You darn sure don't want to lose it. So once you get that screw back on, you want to put this guy in right here. Push him down right there. Give him a little pop. There he goes. Before I put all the breathing rings and all back on, make sure my window rolls up and down and everything's plugged in good. Everything rolls up. Back windows, lock, unlock, mirror, everything works good. Everything works good there. Now those screws that were missing down there in the bottom, let me show you. Just look around your shop. Try to put shit back. Whoever done this before didn't. But you're only as good as you were. There you go. And then back to your ring. Just open your door handle a little bit there. Slide your ring back piece in first. Then your sides, then your front. Snap them back in. Job done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's about 12-13 minutes long. I kind of did it with a little bit longer, but you can fast forward through it. There you go.